Amigos, Saul here from Decoding the Market. Happy to be here tonight sharing more information. If you are new, welcome. If you are not, welcome back. Hope you are doing well and enjoying your weekend with your family and friends. Today is Saturday, November 7. Let's get ready for these upcoming days and make a profitable week. The market may show some volatility due to the presidential results. Will it be very interesting to see how the market will react globally. But at this moment today, I will share more technical analysis of EUR-JPY. Let's take a look at a couple options that we have in EUR-JPY. I'm gonna show you one possibility that the euro is showing us at the moment. Let's take a look at trend lines, support and resistance levels. As you notice, the price is closing at this level at 122. Or possibilities, and you need to pay attention in the next coming days or when the market is open, is that if the next candle close above this resistance price, it may go a little bit further and touch this trend line and go back and touch this trend line right here. If this candle close below, above and below this level, we can take a look a possibility that the price is going up. If exceed this trend line, we can continue holding or trade and see if this particular trend line to the uptrend will be a resistance, because probably the price is gonna go back a little bit to test this level, and then if the price does not, let's take a look here. If the price holds between this area, we can keep our trade and keep it until this level to take our profit. That is the first option that we can take a look, in the possibility that the price is going to touch this level. If you notice, we have another level right here that could be a resistance. If I tell you guys to take your profit in this level, is because we don't know how strong could be the price in that particular time. So this is the sure thing that you can take your profit, because touching this level, the price can go down and touch this level, and probably can go a little bit lower. So we don't know what it's going to happen, but the first trade that we can take, it's the one that I explained it to you right now. The second one could be if the price breaks below these two trend lines going to the downside and this one to the uptrend. If break this, actually we have three strong levels right here to the downside. This particular area, which is touching this point, and if the price close below, yes, probably the price may go down, and we can see the possibility that the price it's going to touch once again this price. Let me continue right here, and maybe it's going to touch this price. So that's why if we take a trade to the uptrend, place your stop loss in this area because right here, like I said, is a very strong area that can find a support level. If the price doesn't exceed this area, we can take again a new trade and go long, and we can expect that the price can go back to this level. That is the options that EUR-JPY is showing us at the moment. Let me remove this here to don't confuse anybody. And like I said, if the price close below this particular area, well, we can place a trade that we can go short. And actually we can do, let me change the color in this one and make it red, and see which level we can expect to touch. And maybe it's gonna touch this level right here. If you notice, we have another support level, which is this one, and then we have another one that if at that moment is continuing to the downtrend, well, we can expect the price is going to touch. Oh, let me see, let me go back here, and we can expect that the price is going to touch right here, this level. Okay guys, and if the price close below this area, well, probably the price it's going to continue to the downtrend and going all this way. So let me move this. We can expect that the price will touch this particular level. If you notice this trend line to the downside, and we can add another level right up here, which is I'm gonna clone this line and make her a little bit clear for you guys, and we can expect that the price can touch this level, and you can take your profit if you going short. If the price, like I said, if cross below this area, we can expect to take a short trade, expecting to touch this area. If you notice, we have another one, but we'll see what happens, because this coming week will be a little bit volatile, and the price can go either way, can go to the downside or to the uptrend. And this is exactly what I want to share with you guys, because I want you to be prepared for any opportunities that you can have in the next coming days. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you find something educative in this video, please hit the like button and share the video, and I see you in the next video. And in the next few seconds you will see some suggestions that I have for you that you can be very interested, and I believe you are going to enjoy that information that contained in that video. Have a wonderful weekend, guys. See you in the next video.